Okay, our recipe today is a famous Thailand recipe called Pat Kapao.
If you want anyone that can do.
This is the ingredient.
Not pork.
You have to show the ingredient.
Shrimp.
Pork meat.
Daddy, show this one.
Okay.
This one is a garlic. And
What is the mixture? What is the mixture of this one? Garlic.
Red chili.
Red chili.
And green one.
And green chili. Oil. Oil. Yeah.
When you do it, you have to just fry the garlic will become yellow. It means the smell is come up. Sneeze also. If you were not trying to fry, actually good. When you put the meat or anything, it will be smelly. The garlic can, cover the smell of the meat.
Pork oil, right?
Pork oil. It's a homemade.
Homemade pork oil, yeah.
This one become a yellow. You have to really fry them. Really fry them as well. Don't be fast or quickly. Your Pat Kapao is voila.
Okay, next ingredient.
You just show this one. Yes. Okay. This become a yellow. Then you put pork. Because of this one is a pork that I cut them, not pork chop. Until the pork is become cooking. Okay, let's make a little bit of sugar. And this one is seasoning. A little bit enough. We don't need to put anything much, just only fish sauce. That's all.
That is fish sauce.
Yeah, sugar, seasoning, fish sauce. That's all. Okay, and then this one is the black soya sauce. See. Just add a little bit chin or something. Really cook. Water a little bit because of I want the meat to be cooking. sometimes you go to the restaurant and they cook it very bad because of it's not bad but it's not pleasing. It doesn't please it. เวลาเราไปกินที่ร้านอาหารไทยใช่ไหมมันก็จะไม่แบบถูกใจอ่ะไม่โดนใจเพราะว่าทำแบบรีบๆไม่แบบพิถีพิถันเดี๋ยวจะคั่วมันแห้งๆอ่ะแต่ต้องให้หมูมันสุกโอเคเพราะหมูมันจะชิ้นใหญ่มันจะสุกยากแล้วหมูมันจะนุ่ม hot basil
Hot basil.
กะเพราเราก็ปลูกเองนะคะ we plant by ourselves inside the kitchen yeah we plant our garden see เนี่ยใบกะเพรา see you looking at the picture and then you start to burn let is the water is released you have to control เอาจานมาอะไรแล้วก็ตักข้าวให้แม่หน่อยใช่ไม่เอาจานข้าวแม่มาsee you just you know put the camera close to it see you see this one is a this one for my daughter จานข้าวแม่บอกใช่อันนี้เนอะ